Hi guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. And look what came. I mean, you already know from my previous vlogs, but just, you know, for today's video, look what came into the mail today is my bookshelf. My new bookshelf, which I'm so excited about, and I am going and try to build it myself. However, I'm really not sure. It is going to be my first ever experience building a furniture, piece of furniture by myself. I mean, it cannot be difficult, right? It's gonna be fine. Let's try. Let's see. First of all, let's open the package. I'm so excited because look how I'm keeping my books at this moment. At this moment, this is how I keep my books on the floor. I have like 3 stacks of books, and also I have stacks behind my TV and another stack right here. Like, these stacks are fine. I have also a little bit space down there, but like I want to do something with these books, so that's why I got the bookshelf. And also I am expecting more books to come into, because I want my house to have lots of books and have a big library of books that I love. So that's the plan for my life. So let's build the bookshelf together. I got a white bookshelf. There was another color that I really liked. It was dark wooden, like brown color, and like also it was so rustic, and I really liked it. However, our room is very light, it's very bright, and I like it that way. I like when there's so much light in the room, and I don't want to darken it, even though I really like that color. And I'm not very good at like decorating and like interior design. I'm so bad. I'm sure like people who like understand it and know it, they could actually design it all very beautifully in the room, but since I am not gifted in that sphere, I decided to just go with plain white, because like our room is not exactly white, our room is like cream color, but yeah, I guess just white would like the easiest way. I'm going to take everything out, and then I will see. Hey everyone, my camera died, so we will have to continue with my phone for a while, but it's okay. So the first shelf is the right number and in the right place because I made mistake first time. Now I changed it, and now we're going to put the second one, and yeah, let's do it. I'm kind of liking it. It's actually fun. It feels like my right hand is going to hurt tomorrow because of all of this screwing. It's okay. It's okay. I'm a strong Russian woman. It's gonna be fine. Look, all the shelves are in place. So now I'm going to put this board to this other side. So let's do.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
So now all of these things are in place. Let me flip you around. Okay, so now that all of those small things are in place, we are going to put the back panel. It's going to be the moment of truth. Yes, look, it's in place. So now I think maybe I need to put something here, but there are no holes. Oh no, actually there are some holes. Okay.
Let's get scratching.
So now it is fully assembled, my bookshelf. Let's put it up. Guys, here it is, my new bookshelf. Look, it is so... I'm so happy I finally have space for all my books. I'm going to clean it now, to dust it, and then I will put some of my books, and then I think we will go to get some decorations for it, because I want to decorate it with some like fake plants. Well, for now, fake plants, because I don't think that we have enough light in our room for plants, even though I really like plants. For now it's going to be fake. So yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, so this is the shelf and it's ready. I'm so excited and I'm so happy. So now I'm going to put all of the my extra books that are on the floor, I'm going to put on the shelf. So let's do it. Okay, so now I've put all the books just randomly on the shelves, and now I'm going to organize them, like to make them beautiful. To be honest, I don't really like these red spines. So I think I will just keep these books with red spines behind my TV, because I don't like the red spines. And other books I'm going to organize and make I'm going to try to make the shelf beautiful. This shelf I want to keep for like Harry Potter books when I have like the whole collection, and maybe some classics, so we will see. So let's try to do something with this. Okay, so this is like an approximate thing. I'm not sure yet. For now, I'm going to keep it this way, and later I will go and get some decorations for the shelves. So yeah, I just know that I really like the cover of Pinch of Magic. I like the letters from Father Christmas, and like the cover of Lelanie from the Distant Sea, and I really wanted to show them, to display. Plus, I don't really like, because all of my books are not series, so they're all different books, and like spines are so different, and some books are quite short, so they don't really look very beautifully on the bookshelf. So I would maybe like that part, so I would like cover it maybe with books like this. So we will see. Right now it's just like project stage. Okay everyone, now that we have assembled the bookshelf, I want to go and get some decorations, like fake plants and maybe something else if I find something nice. I don't think I will be able to find fairy lights, though I really want them. I really like the way they look on other people's bookshelves, so whenever I find them I will put them on the shelf. However, in that shop I'm pretty sure they don't have them. So now they're going to be just like some fake plants probably, or something cute if I find. So let's go and see what they have. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so let me show you what I picked up. I've got lots of things here. So first of all, I picked up these fake plants. Oops. Like this fake plants. So I was thinking I would place them like on the perimeter of my shelf like that, and I think it's gonna be beautiful. So I've got different types. So this is gonna be like the main part, and then I will just mix them up with like some other types like this and like this. So yes, so that's gonna be my fake plants. Also, I found these back ends for the books, because I have some books like on the TV stand down there, and I just want to put them on the like top of my shelf, and I would use these back ends for those books. And I really like them. I really like the colors, so I'm excited. Also, I found this like things like this. I really like it. It's like, it feels like it could be in like herbology classroom. Well, they didn't really have like herbology classroom. They went to the greenhouses, but just anyway, maybe in Snape's laboratory you could find things like this. But I think this thing is really cute, so I want to put it on the bookshelf. And also I found these fake plants. I decided to go with fake plants because obviously you don't need to take care of them, you don't need to water them, and they will not die. So that is important. Now let's decorate, and I'm really excited to see what it's gonna look like. And the last is this one, so let's see. So here it is. Look at it, so cute. I think I might put it on the Harry Potter shelf. next to Harry Potter because it looks a little bit magical. So I put these books on the top, but I don't really like them there because they're black and I want like light books there. So it's gonna be like this for now. I think light books are better there. So, well, they're not all light, just there is some like light spot, which is good. And I have some space left for the end of Avandia, which I'm reading at the moment. So, let me show you the whole thing. And there you have it, guys, my new bookshelf, which I'm so pleased with. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I like my fake plants and all the books, and I will definitely get more books, so the bookshelf will change and probably I will get another one. So we will see, but for now I'm just so happy. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope you're having a very good day. Let me know in the comments how many bookshelves do you have in your house. Because I know that some people, like some booktubers, they have so many bookshelves. For now I have just one, but it's okay, it's the beginning. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in my next videos. Thank you, bye.